Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. I'm not the most knowledgeable person in this world, but I still talk about stuff that I'm not qualified to talk about, I guess. Uh, that's the way I am, I guess. Uh, we are talking about are we living in a simulation or not? I do not know. I'm not qualified to answer this question. I guess I don't have adequate data to prove my claims, and even if I had adequate data to prove whether we are living in a simulation or not, I don't know whether I would be able to do that. Basically, the point that I'm trying to make is even the smartest people on earth have not figured out whether we are living in a simulation or not. At least that's what they claim. Maybe some smart person in this world has secretly found out that we are living in a simulation, or has secretly found out that we are not living in a simulation. I do not know. I do not know. But the world is a strange place. That's all I would have to say. If the world is a simulation, that would also be strange. If the world isn't a simulation, that would also be strange. What if base reality is nothing but just a simulation created by God? God is the ultimate reality. Does that even make sense to an atheist? I do not know. Look, at the end of the day, I cannot prove the existence of God. I cannot prove the existence of any base reality that might be waiting for us to welcome us once we get out of the simulation game. I do not know. I just hope. I just know one thing, that maybe smart people or people like Elon Musk, once they earn a lot of money, they would dedicate a science team or dedicate a team of scientists, not a science team, a team of relatively smart people to figure out whether we are living in a simulation or not. I guess that makes sense. I guess a smart person like Elon Musk, if he can make going to Mars his objective, I'm pretty sure that he can dedicate some amount of money and some amount of some number of scientists to answering the question that are we living in a simulation or not? Are we living in a matrix or not? Is there a Neo for us that is going to save us? I might get a copyright strike. I should not talk about the Matrix movie. Sorry to the makers of the Matrix movie. My apologies. Please don't give me a copyright strike. That would be the death of my YouTube channel, please. I don't have any subscribers right now, I think. Or maybe I do have. I just don't know about it, I guess. Whatever, I just want you to know that at the end of the day, the world is a very strange place. Billions of stars, billions of galaxies. So in the same way, maybe we are not living in a simulation. Maybe the multiverse theory is true. Maybe there are different dimensions of reality. Maybe there are different universes. In our universe, 2 plus 2 equals 4. In another universe, 2 plus 3 equals 222. 2 plus 2 equals 222. Yes, you heard that right. In some other universe, that might be the equation, I guess. So I do not know. I do not know what is the truth, what is reality, what is not. I just know that I am a normal person who is trying to live his life to the best, okay, not always to the best possible, in the best possible way. I'm just a normal guy who is living my life and is trying my best not to sneeze in the video. Either way, I think that even if we are living in a simulation, I think our souls might have eventually get out of the simulation if we actually die. Or I am pretty sure that eventually everything has an end. If we are living in a simulation, maybe eventually we will get out of it. Or maybe all worlds, all levels of existence in this world are basically some kind of simulation / reality. As I said, maybe the multiverse theory is true. I do not know what else should I talk about, because I am not a smart enough person to talk about this in detail. But I have to say, the kind of video games that we humans are now creating as a civilization. If the kind of graphics that I see on certain video games, they are pretty awesome. I was seeing a video render. Oh, not a render, but maybe a group of people just decided to create an animated video. I can't remember the name of that video. I saw it on YouTube. Basically, a guy is taking a walk in the rain, but it's all animated. It's all graphics. It's all VFX. But when I looked, I was not able. For a moment, I was thinking that a man is actually, or a person is actually walking in the middle of a farms, rice paddies everywhere, on both sides. So I thought maybe it's just it's a real place where a person is walking with rice paddies on both sides. It's raining. It's a beautiful weather, or maybe it wasn't raining. It was just it had just rained. The rain had just stopped, and it was sunny right now. So that video. At first, I thought it was a real video, but then I realized, oh, wait a second, this is not a real video. This is actually a VFX video, an animation video. The animation was so good, the VFX was so good. I wasn't even able to, or the graphics were so good. I wasn't even able to identify that it was a cartoon that I was watching. Cartoons are becoming better and better. You might not be able to differentiate what is real from what is cartoon eventually. Think about the implications of that. More on this in the next video, I think. Please consider liking this video. Please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.